If you stop paying your credit card bill in the United States, nothing dramatic happens on day one. But within months, the consequences can snowball, damaging your credit, triggering lawsuits, and even leading to wage garnishment. Here's exactly what happens step by step. The first 30 days. Once you miss a payment, you are charged a late fee. Interest continues to grow. Your credit score may drop. Most credit card companies report late payments after 30 days to major credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This is when the real damage begins. At this point, more late fees are added. Your interest rate may go up. You may start receiving collection calls. The bank now considers your account seriously delinquent. You may receive letters warning about charge-off status. This is where it gets serious. Around 180 days, the credit card company may charge off your debt. This does not mean the debt disappears. It means the lender writes it off as a loss, but you still legally owe it. Now either the original bank continues collection efforts, or the debt is sold to a collection agency for pennies on the dollar. That's when pressure increases. Collection agencies can call you and send letters. They can report the debt again. They may attempt settlement offers, but under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, they cannot threaten jail or harass you. Ignoring collection notices is a mistake. The next step could be legal action. If the amount is large, the creditor may sue you in civil court. If you ignore the lawsuit notice, the court may issue a default judgment. Once there is a judgment, they can legally garnish your wages, freeze bank accounts, or place liens on property. In many states, wage garnishment can take up to 25% of your disposable income. This is where unpaid credit card debt becomes a real financial crisis. Unpaid credit card debt can remain on your credit report for up to 7 years. This affects mortgages, car loans, apartment rentals, insurance rates, and even some job applications. Your financial reputation takes a major hit. For regular credit card debt, no. Credit card debt is civil, not criminal. But ignoring court orders or committing fraud is different. Before things escalate, consider negotiating a settlement, setting up hardship programs, debt management plans, or consulting a bankruptcy attorney for Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. Bankruptcy can stop collection efforts immediately through an automatic stay, but it has serious long-term consequences. It is not a small decision. Stopping credit card payments may feel like temporary relief, but in the United States, the system responds legally and financially. Ignoring the problem makes it worse. Understanding the process gives you power. The earlier you act, the more options you have. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. If you found this helpful, the next video explains, can you go to jail for debt in America? The truth most people don't know